Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love bite now. And these are general collective readings, Cancer, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Cancer, let's begin. A small little spread for you. Let's see what's the most important message here for you. And welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, we welcome you too to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Right. And Cancer, if you're looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So let's begin your reading. From what I see, Cancer, in the center of the spread, I have somebody looking back in a lot of regret and sorrow. They are having fond memories of somebody. Maybe they felt that was a soulmate, but something has happened here in this connection. Maybe somebody was holding back. This person is in a lot of regret and sorrow about, how things didn't pan out. Yes, there's been a lot of imbalance which has been created, which is under my deck here, and overall energy is things not being in balance till now. Maybe somebody was behaving a little immaturely here, maybe too cold, never really, didn't show their emotions, always maybe seeing what else is out there. But now they're having sweet memories of their person and feeling bad maybe for holding back from them or holding out on them. They do want to communicate now because this person is getting very, very stressed by the day, and they've realized they have this huge cup of love to give. Okay, so let's start with some dialogue message cards, Cancer. See if you guys wanted to say something to each other, what that would be first, and then we'll start clarifying these cards. Cancer and their person, Spirit. Cancer and their person, if they could say something to each other now. Cancer and their person. Cancer and their person. Okay. And I'm going to take a few from here, Cancer. Cancer and their person. One more. All right. And couple from here as well. Cancer and their person. Okay, good to go, Cancer. Let's begin your reading. The first card I have here says, why do you try and downplay our connection even when you know the importance it holds? You know who we are to each other. Why do you try and dismiss it? This really cuts deep, like a knife to the heart. Yeah, somebody probably didn't show their emotions in the past. Very cold, very logical, very immature. Why is the best fruit always forbidden? Damn, I know that we shouldn't, but I just can't resist you. The magnetic pull is too intense in your presence. I just can't stop myself. So through all that logic, that soulmate connection is still felt. You were always my desire, the love of my life, but I didn't tell you. See? Didn't tell you. Communication. It shocked the hell out of me when you told me you felt the same, as I never expected that. You're all I want, but I just don't feel good enough for you. I'm feeling really insecure at this time. I feel like a little child compared to you. You make me feel weak at the knees. I feel overwhelmed and powerless to that all-consuming love I have for you. I crave your sexual healing. I fantasize about pleasing you every day. I'm on fire waiting for you. I love the sound of your voice. I hear you speak with me telepathically and in dreams. I long to talk with you again. Let's talk and clear the air. Somebody really wants to talk here, Cancer. Maybe you guys are holding back from each other at the moment. Yes, somebody does want this communication big time. Please make time for me. So Cancer, if this is resonating with your storyline, let's start clarifying these cards. But before that, I do want to take an angel blessing card to see how my angels are going to bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. Okay, here it is. So the card I have for you here, Cancer, is You Found It. Wasn't this the same card which came out for you in the love reads? When was it? On Wednesday? So somebody knows who their soulmate is. They found the person they love. It's just that till now, I think they've been behaving very immature and holding back. So let's see what's happening. Spirit, what's this Page of Swords in reverse? Page of Swords in reverse. Okay. And one more, Page of Swords and the King of Swords. Somebody walked away from an Empress? Oh my God, in all their immature behavior, or maybe they were just being a little troublemaker here, and they kind of walked away from an Empress here, and that's really, really stressing them out now, big time. They've realized who they've lost, an Empress. They walked away from an Empress, or maybe the Empress walked away because of their immature behavior, and that's like really stressing this person out. They can't sleep at night. They're just thinking about who they've lost now. King of Swords. King of Swords. This person is literally obsessive now about thoughts of a reconciliation. They can't stop thinking about what they've done, who they've lost. Maybe they are watching this Empress now sitting on her throne, and they're feeling, oh my God, like what did I do? Who did I mess with? And I've lost this person. This person is really, really very, very attracted to this Empress and obsessively thinking about them, thinking about how they can get a reconciliation and how to communicate maybe with this Empress now so that they can somehow manage to heal this broken heart. So Three of Wands, Spirit. What's this Three of Wands? Three of Wands. Yeah, the person is very restless. Maybe they're not even feeling well right now. Can't sleep, can't rest, almost depressed. When they look into the future, it looks pretty bleak to them. Yes, they feel that they've ruined their future. They've ruined their, future, yeah, because of their own very rash behavior. Maybe they almost ended a situation before it began, before they recognized the Empress to be their Empress. And now when they look into the future, they get more and more depressed each day, thinking, oh my God, this person was supposed to be there for me, with me, going forward. Now they want to come back, Cancer. They really want to return. Now they're having nostalgic memories. They are thinking of all the good stuff that you guys maybe shared in the past with the Six of Cups energy. But they're at crossroads now. They can't make a move because I think in the past they've refused you. They've refused a commitment. And now all this person can do is stand at crossroads now and wonder what their next move should be. They don't know what to do. All they can do is sit and think of, dream of this Empress now, and maybe just plan. This person is totally stuck here. Because of their own behavior, they kind of, I think, refused a commitment. Now they have a lot of sadness, a lot of regret, looking back at the past. They're concentrating more on the past energy than kind of trying to rectify the situation. They maybe had a lot of options that time, but none of those options really worked out. All these cups are spilt. The only two cups which are full are behind them. And now this person is totally feeling, they're seeing things. Like now they're getting these epiphanies as to what and who they've lost. And yes, they're feeling totally stuck because they don't know what move to make. Four of Pentacles, Spirit. Four of Pentacles. Four of Pentacles. Certain secrets have come out now, I guess. They may have said something in their rash behavior, and once that whatever was in their heart, they said it, which probably wasn't the truth. Somebody is holding back now and probably gone off for a fresh new beginning for themselves, saying, hey, I'm not going to wait around. Yes, you were my soulmate, you are my soulmate. But whoever this other person is who was the troublemaker here is wanting to hold on. They don't want to let this connection go. They are telling me, no, this is my soulmate. This is the person I want to go back to. I am wishing and hoping, and this is my wish come true. I want a brand new beginning. I want to speak with them again. High Priestess in reverse. I don't want them to go quiet on me. I want communication to begin again so I can somehow hold on to this connection, because I know it's my soulmate. This is my wish come true. I want a fresh new beginning. So 8 of Wands, Spirit. What's this 8 of Wands? 8 of Wands. Yes, they do want to communicate. All these signs are getting this card in the end to say somebody is now very sheepish as to not understanding what to say anymore. As much as they are craving communication, they feel knocked off their pedestal at the moment. They maybe were sitting on their high horse, maybe in their ego and pride, but now they feel crushed. They feel that was false. All that was false. What really mattered was this Empress, and now they've lost that Empress. Now this person doesn't feel victorious at all. This person is overthinking it. They're in a prison, self-imposed prison of their mind at the moment. They can't see a way out, but because they feel maybe their partner's made a decision regarding them. One more, Spirit. What's this person thinking, overthinking? They feel things are really stuck. They feel their partner's made a decision to maybe move on now, and now there is absolutely zero movement. They fear that their partner will not want to now move ahead with them because maybe they've been too slow, or there's too much of stagnant energy here. So they're a little worried whether they will get a chance for movement forward with their person. But they do have a lot of love here. Maybe they've never expressed it. Maybe they had difficulty in expressing their emotion, or maybe they didn't recognize their own heart and now it's too late. But there is a King of Cups holding this big cup of love. So what do you want to say, Mr. King of Cups? What do you want to say here? King of Cups, what would you like to say? Oh, really? Jesus Christ. Okay, so this is the communication, Cancer, they want to give. Hold your heart. Okay, and I want a big thumbs up after that, whether you accept them or not. This is such a beautiful message. This person says, no, I have a lot of love for my person. I've recognized the depth of my love for this person. When I look into my future, the only person I see is this one. This is my spouse, to-be spouse. This is my future, my better half, my other half. This is the person who is loving, kind, nurturing, who's going to be with me forever and ever. And yes, this is what I have to offer now. The 10 of Pentacles. This is what I wish. I'm wishing upon a star that the universe gives me one more chance. They're waiting for good luck, that they get a chance to express this, come forward and move into the future with this beautiful Queen of Pentacles. And that's what they want. A happily ever after. But right now there's been a little bit of imbalance. What's the Spirit? Temperance. What's this Temperance in reverse? Temperance in reverse. Oh my God. Temperance in reverse is clarified by the Temperance in reverse. So either they're getting very impatient, Cancer, or maybe they're worrying about the fact that there's been so much of imbalance created in this connection. They're wondering how this conflict is going to end now. What can they do? How can they change their person's mind? One more, Spirit, for the Temperance in they know they have to speak their truth now. There is no other way. They have to come forward with truth and clarity, because they recognize now that this Empress has a sword of her own now, and now she's coming across as the Queen of Swords, who is going to demand answers. And if they are not authentic, and if they're not, straightforward, they are clear in their mind. They're just trying to find the words as to how to say it. In their mind, heart, they're absolutely clear, and they know that this queen deserves it. They deserve honesty and truth. So yes, they found what they were looking for, Cancer. Now it's up to this feminine whether to, accept them back or not. But I would say give them a chance. They do have pure intentions from what I can see. All right, so that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste. And some of you, if you've been seeing me seeing the back of my deck, I did see the Moon card in reverse, which means no more secrets anymore. Everything out in the open, secrets held in the heart are going to be revealed. Okay? So, till Wednesday now. Next Wednesday, love and light. Take care. Namaste.